Alright, so if you're using AI without an API key, you're roughly using about 10% of what AI can do. So in this very brief video, I'm going to guide you and walk you through the step-by-step process. Now you can get yourself an API key for free and unlock AI inside websites, applications, chatbots, and so much more. This API key is usually used by developers to develop applications, to develop chatbots, to develop websites, and so much more. So if that's something that you might be interested in, please follow along, and then I have some more tips and guidelines later on in the video. So if you're new here, my name is Titus. I'm an IT officer, and in this channel, I talk about only AI, how you can use AI, how you can leverage AI. So if that's something you're interested in, please consider subscribing and liking the video. And always drop these tutorials on how you can do lots of stuff, tips, hacks, tools, and AI website, and so much more. Alright, so without much more said, let us begin. Alright, so we shall begin with the Google Gemini API key. So to get that, we are going to go to ai.google.dev, hover into models, and you select pricing, or whichever way you want. But for now, I'm going to press pricing. We see the price of it. As you can see, Google offers us a free and a paid plan. So there is where we can actually, on the get started on the right, we actually see that there's pricing, libraries, and API keys. So we click on API keys. Then you can see it's very simple. You're going to see create using Gemini keys, API keys. You click on, you're going to see create. Then let's hover into it. You can read through anything you want. Some information is down below. Then after that, you're going to click on create overview, a Gemini API key. So when you click that, you can close this, and then I've used it before, that's why you can see mine. But you click on the right, create API key, and then you can click on that, or you can create a new project. If you have the project before, you can select, but for now I'm going to click create Gemini project. So after that, wait a little bit for like a few seconds, so it will bring that. Then we're going to select that project, and then we click create key. So basically that's we've already created an API key. So that is how it is. Because this is created once, you can go ahead and save it. So for my page, I'm going to save it on Notepad. Now I will paste my API key here. Just go ahead and copy. And then I'll have to save it in Notepad. Paste there. So basically that is it. How you can use this API keys? There are so different videos I've created before. Now you can use this API key. So without much more say, let us go ahead and also create a API key for OpenAI. So to create the API key for OpenAI, we're going to click openai.com/API. And we have to log in. Obviously, my ChatGPT, I logged in through Google. So this is, I'm going to click Google. And then after that, remember, ChatGPT offers free trial. But if the trial is not there, ChatGPT has no free version. You have to, unlike Gemini could give you free when you're going to use the premium model, but OpenAI doesn't give that. So you'll have to add money. But for now, let's just go ahead and create an API key. Name it whatever you want. For now, I'm going to name it YouTube test. Then I'm going to create secret key. So basically, you can see here it says API key generated. Go ahead and copy that. Still, I'm going to save it on Notepad. Let me just order it a little bit. So this is ChatGPT. Go ahead and paste that. It's a little bit long compared to Gemini's. So basically that is it. Go and click done. So as I said before, ChatGPT offers at a cost. So here's where you're going to the usage, how much you've spent. That is if you've added money. But for testing purposes, you can go ahead and use Gemini. So that comes to the end of our video. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, liking the video, and I'll catch you in the next one.